Isn't it good?
I got a video going. Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
I'm Chris. I know what I'm doing.
Well, she's shaking like you're crushing her.
They shake like that because they don't have any muscle coordination yet. Okay. Are we in video?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are our names. We're going to call this one Sassy for now, and they're all girls. And this one's Chunky Monks, because she's chunky. And this one's Chatterbox.
How to rename her?
These are just names that we give them just to tell them apart for now. And Squawker. Squawker 2.0.
The candle's going, but they're not burning that good right now.
They're almost dead. You like them, right? Aren't they cool? All right, Piper.
Like, can I have my kids back now?
All right. Okay. All right, I'm going to give them back. Okay.
We got a runaway.
That's Sassy. That's Sassy. She's my favorite. Like, bitch. Keep this one. I've never had an all white cat before. All black cats many times. Come here, Chatterbox. Oh no, you're Squawker 2.0. All right, back to mommy.
And that's the show for the night.